Hey everybody, this is Josh with eciov.com coming at you with a new video today. We're going to be unboxing the Sony WH-1000xM3. Now these are the brand new version of this headphone from Sony. It's been around since 2016 in various iterations, and this is just the latest and greatest from them. A few noticeable upgrades, better sound, quick charging through USB-C, as well as new microphones in order to improve the active noise canceling feature of the headphones. But outside of that, we don't really have a whole lot of information yet because I haven't dug into the manual on this, nor have I had a chance to put it through the paces since this is obviously brand new, still in box. So let's bust out the knife here and get this open. We'll take a look at the individual components in the box, and then over the next week or so, I'll actually be testing these out and putting them through our normal rigorous testing in order to give you the best information possible. So in the box, you've got just a basic liner card there, and then you've got a very nice case. Seems a little bit higher quality than the XM2. Just because it's got this nice canvas almost like cover to it. The coolest part about this is the new finish. It's got some copper accents here as well. The microphone placement up here, you guys probably can't see that, I'll show you. Sony is written in copper as well. I'm sure it's not real copper, it just looks like that. But they also made some improvements to the cushions. The ear cups are a slightly different size now. There's supposed to be more cushion on the headphone band as well, just to try and make these the most comfortable ANC headphones on the market. What else is in here? Obviously your filler paper to keep everything in its place, an analog cable, and then literally the world's smallest USB-C. Wow, this is really disappointing. I don't know how you're actually supposed to use this at all. You couldn't even plug that into my computer and have the headphones within reach. That's annoying. There's one other thing in here. It looks like it's the plane adapter, so if you travel a lot, you can plug this into the airplane with this adapter here. But that appears to be it in the box. This doesn't even look like a full manual. I could be wrong with that, but it's very thin. So there's that. Let's go ahead and get this cleaned up so I can do some close-up shots of the headphones so you can see exactly what they look like. But as I mentioned before, we're not doing a review with this. This is an unboxing video specifically so that you guys can comment and let us know exactly what you would like to learn about these headphones. Over the next week or so, we'll be putting them through the paces, and then we'll do a full video answering whatever questions that we get on the comments of this video. One of the things we're really interested in testing out with these is the actual voice clarity with the microphones that are built into the headphone. Sony's always been behind on microphone quality. It just sounded compressed and not clean at all. So hopefully there's going to be a big improvement there. I was also really sad to see that you still have to put your hand up to the headphones to use the talk-through function. That's just not as convenient of a user experience as, say, the Sennheiser PXE550, where you just tap on the pad and it turns it on and off. And doesn't make you look like an idiot holding your hand up to your head the whole time. Here's a close-up of the USB-C cable, which we are noticing is extremely tiny. Not going to get a whole lot of use for this, but that's okay because ultimately you can't even use these headphones while they're plugged in. Sony does talk about a new quick charging feature that after 10 minutes of charging, you get 5 hours of use. That's a great step up from the previous generation, but that also assumes that you have a USB charger that's powerful enough to quick charge through USB-C. Not all chargers are made equal. We can't wait to put these through the paces over the next week or two, but please do remember to leave us any questions that you have in the comments. That's going to help our review tremendously. One of the interesting things that we noticed on the box here is that there's a little paragraph in the back that says, "The noise canceling function is effective in low frequency ranges such as airplanes, trains, or offices near air conditioning, etc., and is not as effective for higher frequencies such as human voices." That is one of the #1 use cases for active noise canceling headphones, is trying to use them in the office so you can cut out background noise, especially if you're one of those people that's stuck in a cubicle all day. They're very handy to have. In our testing, no active noise canceling headphones can actually cut out all human voice and all other background noises, but they certainly do a good job of getting rid of hums and other low frequency background noise. Just don't expect them to completely cut out all noise. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Josh with eciov.com. That's voice spelled backwards.com. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. Leave us a comment with any questions that you have about these new WH-1000xM3s, and we'll be back very shortly with our full review on these cans. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get all our videos as soon as we release them. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.